Hello pool owners, meet the 2023 Rock&Rocker Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner designed for hassle-free cleaning. Powered by a 5000 mAh lithium battery, it offers up to 90 minutes of runtime to clean pools up to 861 square feet. This lightweight, cordless cleaner features dual drive motors and an adjustable nozzle for efficient movement and obstacle navigation. Its IPX8 waterproof design protects the battery while powerful suction traps leaves, dirt, and sand with ease. The smart navigation system ensures optimal coverage and can handle pool slopes up to 15 degrees. With a fine reusable filter tray capturing debris as small as 180 microns, your pool water stays clean and clear. Plus, the floating handle makes removing the cleaner simple and convenient for anyone. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.